This boat show does a really good job of making sure that there's something here for everybody. If you like being on the water in any way, shape, or form, this is the place to come. We're here at the 2024 Miami International Boat Show, checking out all the awesome boats. Today, I want to show you some of our favorites. This is the brand new Bennington 23 QX SBA. We built this specifically for the Miami Boat Show. As you can see, we added 2 pairs of our M2 towers. We've added 4 subwoofers in this bad boy, 4 5-channel amplifiers, 10 6.5s, full LED integration, black box stereo, multiple remote controls. This is the ultimate party barge. We're here with the ZCB No Name 22. This 22-foot bay boat is one of my favorites at the show because I'm a fisherman, and just because you're a fisherman doesn't mean you don't need a badass stereo system. This particular boat has 2 pairs of our 10-inch horns, 2 12-inch subwoofers, 2 4-channel amplifiers, and a big 1,000-watt mono amplifier. This boat, when you fire it up, makes you feel like you're in some 40-foot center console screaming through the ocean with 60 speakers, but it only has 6. We're here at the Camus booth looking at George Gau's new 34 Unfathomed Edition CT. As you can see, he spared no expense and did not chintz out on the stereo system. The bow of this thing with 2 12s, 2 10-inch horns, 4 8-inch speakers. We've got about 3,000 watts running just to that bow. It's one of the most fantastic bow areas I've ever heard in my life. You follow that back, you've got another pair of 10s midship, another pair of 8s, 4 6.5s in the T-top, and then to finish it off, a pair of our 8-inch dome tweeters and a pair of our 8-inch horn speakers in the back, filling the rest of the boat out. That's it for us this year at the 2024 Miami International Boat Show. If you didn't make it out, make sure you come out next year and check us out.